From the morning all the way up until now, rain has just been persistent. I looked like an absolute fool walking the dog this morning. Both of us wearing a rain jacket, and you're like when you're walking, you're like, man, someone's gonna look at me and be like, look at that idiot walking around in the rain. Yes, of course, and that was me this morning. But hey, you know what? Every now and then I do love a rainy day. Not so much when you're getting a month's worth of rain in the first 6 days of the month, which we've seen today. Heavier rain across the Outer Banks has been persistent. A couple of rumbles of thunder down here as well with that heavier rain. Got over 2 inches in Hatteras, likely for a majority of the Outer Banks. It's where the flood watch has been. There's been some flooding along NC-12, so one of those days, maybe hunker down and enjoy that ocean view that looks pretty gloomy on a rainy day today. Some persistent rain for Back Bay and southern Virginia Beach, as well as northeastern North Carolina. There's a little band here setting up some more moderate rain. That's going to continue to lift into the south side here. Similarly out towards Suffolk as well. So we're not totally done where it seems like we've seen some stuff let up a little bit, which we have. It's been pretty light, but rather annoying here across the south side and the peninsulas here. Some moderate rain across the peninsulas. This will all just continue here for the next couple of hours. Now, as of 3 o'clock, so this is about outdated for an hour or so, most locations have picked up over an inch. Ricky's going to tally these up later on tonight. He's in for Jeff, so he's going to get you the pretty much the overall total from today. But enough rain to make your backyard a swimming pool. This one from Smithfield, and this was my backyard. I would be the one that really upset my mom because I'd be rolling around in this. Don't do so. Use some extra caution because that's just not in backyards. That's on some roadways. We've seen some flooded roads in Portsmouth and downtown, so use some extra caution driving around on this evening commute. We are absolutely soaked. The area low pressure itself, the heart of the system, is farther down to the south, so we still got a ways to go with more rain persisting. On and off, mostly light to moderate rain from now through sunset. Later on tonight after sunset, there's going to be a couple more scattered showers and a few downpours persisting through the late night hours. All of it moves out by early tomorrow morning. There'll still be a few showers around early tomorrow morning, but notice how the rain chances significantly kind of drop off as we just progress through the night. Tomorrow, there will be a brief morning shower early, a light shower. Still kind of damp and dreary tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we slowly dry out, but it'll be briefly dry compared to that dry day we had maybe on Tuesday. And it'll be a briefly dry day before the dry day we have on Friday. We get a little sliver of this dry air Friday afternoon, maybe a little bit of sunshine too. So a nice little like refreshing reset day. Cooler with highs in the 50s on Friday before our next dose of rainfall comes in on Saturday, likely Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. We get more scattered showers moving in. System's going to break a little bit. There's going to be potentially 2 components, and it could split us. So we could just be dealing with some scattered showers later Saturday into Sunday morning, and it'll quickly move out Sunday morning. And then look at this on the 7-day forecast. Consecutive